Your shoes are what?
Ugly.
That's mean.
You don't tell me shoes are
That's mean.
better. How come he doesn't wear something else better?
Say you better wait until I get home.
You better when I wait home.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Go in the car, white car.
White car.
White car. Go in the back.
Go in the back.
Go in the back.
Ako si pambansang ulo ko at ako'y laging handa. Hatid ko lamang ay saya, miski na bata matanda. Kung madami mang problema sa buhay, okay lang yan, mahalaga. Andito tayo at itawa mo lang yan. Pagod ka ba sa trabaho? Okay lang yan. Hindi ka pa sumasweldo? Ayos lang.
Ang tawanan, abot ng magdamagan. Ang tawanan, abot ng magdamagan.
Kumusta kayo mga Kurlokoys, and welcome to another vlog. It's been a while since I did a vlog because I've been busy, you know. I've been doing just the mukbang videos, but today, since it's 2 more days before Christmas, I have a visitor with me, and my visitor is my nephew over there, back there. Hi, nephew.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, nephew. Tell them your name. Say, my name is
Zayd Gordon.
Zayd Gordon. He's my visitor today, my nephew Zayd. So we're gonna be doing some vlogging, you know. Right now we're heading to the mall. We're gonna go check out some stuff, and then maybe later on we're gonna go get something to eat, you know, just bonding of me and my nephew, because after Christmas he's gonna go back again to New Jersey, right, Zayd? Yeah, so we're going to the mall. So we're here at the parking lot over here at the mall. So me and Zayd, we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. You know what's the meaning of unboxing? What? 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 That's not unboxing, that's a Manny Pacquiao unboxing, man. Sinapak ako. Unboxing is we're gonna take out something from the box. Yeah, no, not box me on the face. Remember, we got you new shoes. That's enough now. No more boxing. Don't box my face again. We're gonna check out your shoes. That's what it means. Okay, we're gonna check out your new shoes. Okay, because you know what? I'm gonna be doing some unboxing also. You know that? Not just you. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
You wanna go first? All right, let's go. Let's go check it out. Yeah, let's see what you got here. See what you got. Here, just take it. Oh, you want to take out the whole thing? Yeah. Oh, wow. So, what do you think about your new shoes? So, of course, right after you take it out from the box, you need to tell them, what do you think about your new shoes? Huh? What do you think?
These.
Do you like them? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you gonna wear them all the time? What are they? What kind of shoes are they?
Let me see.
They're Concords.
Concords.
Air Jordans.
It's Jordan. Look, guys.
Look, guys. Yeah, that's your new shoes. Now it's my turn. It's my turn. So you hold your shoes. Now it's my turn to do the unboxing. Not boxing like Manny Pacquiao, okay?
Yours?
See, this is mine.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do some unboxing also. See what's inside, okay?
Okay.
I wonder what's inside. Ready? What?
Both match.
They match. Put them right next to each other. See? There's a big one and a small one. Oh wow! Look at that. We get the same shoes. Oh, the people probably gonna think we're twins. Oh yeah, I have another one. It's a pair. There. What? We get the same shoes. Isn't that cool? Yeah. We should we wear it together at the same time? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I do every time I buy new shoes like this. Remember I showed it to you earlier? What do I do?
I exercise.
What does Uncle Joel do every time he buys new shoes? What does he do? Okay.
I smell them.
Yeah. At the same time.
I did double.
You did double. You hungry? What do you want to eat?
Hot dogs.
So what are you eating?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs? Oh wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. I love their hot dogs here.
They have ice cream too.
Yeah, they have ice cream too. They have everything. See? Look at that. Oh, okay, what do we have here? We have wiener.
Dog.
Hot dog. Yeah, because Zayd wants some hot dog. What do you have? Oh, sit down right here. Stop moving, okay? Oh, that's your French fries. Hold your French fries.
Whoa.
Wow. No. Whoa. I got the chili cheese fries. Yeah, chili cheese fries. Yeah.
That is those.
Yeah. It's really good because it has chili. Huh? You want to try it? No? Okay, so we're gonna eat. We're gonna talk. Okay? So how do you like California?
I like it when Pokey on.
Oh, you like it here? Why?
I like Pokey.
Oh, you like Pokio? Oh, Pokio is our dog. Oh, okay, so you miss Pokio? That's why you're here in California? You don't miss me? Pokio or me?
And Pokey.
So you miss Pokio but not Uncle Joe? Which one?
And both of you.
Ah, both of us. Okay, good answer.
One fries made out of potato.
Oh yeah, French fries is made up of potato. Tell that to them. Because some people, they don't know that. French fries,
From the potato.
they're made of, what?
Potato.
Potato. Okay, French fries, they're made of potato. There. For those people who doesn't know, okay? Are you gonna give me something for Christmas? What are you gonna give me?
I think it's that underwear.
A what? A stinky underwear? How about Auntie Grace? What are you gonna give Auntie Grace for Christmas?
A sock.
Huh?
A sock.
A sock?
No, a sock.
What is that?
A sock.
A shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, a shirt. That's not fair. You're gonna give Auntie Grace a nice shirt, and you're gonna give Uncle Joel a stinky underwear?
Yeah, a stinky sock. Underwear. Fans.
You want me to teach you how to speak Filipino? Huh? Okay, are you ready? Say, ako.
Ako.
Let me see who's better, you or CJ in speaking Filipino, okay? Okay. Ako,
Ako.
I
See
see Zayd.
Zayd.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Ako, I see Zayd.
Ako, I see. Ako, I see Jason.
What, Jason? No, Zayd. Ako, I see Zayd.
Ako, I see Zayd.
There. Go. Like this. How about Pogi ako.
Apogi ako.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, you need to show them that you're speaking.
Apogi ako.
Huh? Say it again.
Apogi ako.
Okay, I got another one. Guapo si Uncle Joel.
Ako si Uncle Joe.
Stop playing your mouth. They need to see you talk. Okay. Okay, one more. Guapo si Uncle Joel.
Uncle, I see Uncle Joe.
Oh my God, we're eating junk. Oh my God, your mommy's gonna get mad. You think your mommy's gonna get mad if we're eating junk? No? Let's not tell her, okay? Don't tell mommy, okay?
He didn't eat some food.
Yeah. Don't tell her we're eating junk. You guys don't tell Zaid's mommy that we're eating junk, okay? It's our secret. So now we have hot dogs. There.
Plain.
Show it. They can see it. They can see it right here.
Mine is plain.
Plain hot dog. Mine is the Chicago style hot dog. Ready? The same time. Oh, you ready? Good. That's good.
Are you ketchup burger?
Oh, we didn't get ketchup. I forgot.
And mushroom. About this, how are we use those like ketchup? You can be ketchup.
Okay, I have to teach you more how to speak Tagalog, okay?
How about we talk in Spanish?
Spanish? You want to talk in Spanish? Okay. I know some Spanish. Are you ready?
Ado.
Huh? Adios? Adios? Adios. Oh, so you're teaching me how to speak Spanish.
Adios.
Adios. What else do you know?
I only know how to do that.
Oh, that's it? That's all you know? Okay, one more. Okay, let me teach you how to speak Tagalog some more. Kumusta ka?
Akusa maka.
Again, kumusta ka?
Kud aka.
Ku-aka. That's Japanese. Kumusta ka?
Akuba ka.
Oh, I know one. Say, anong pangalan mo?
And you abalolo.
Come on, say it. I know you can. Come on.
Abaka.
Ano? Say ano?
Ano.
Ang? Come on, don't cover your mouth. Ano?
Ano.
Ang?
Ang.
Pangalan?
Balalang.
Mo.
Mo.
Okay, now say it. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Ano abalolo.
How do you like your hot dog? Good? I better eat it all. Or else your mommy's gonna see it. She's gonna say we're eating junk.
That is not.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
I had the biggest. I'm done too.
Okay, mga Krulokoys, there. I hope you guys enjoyed our a small vlog, me and my nephew over there. Nephew, what do you want to tell our friends?
Thank you for watching our show.
Say thank you for watching our video.
What? Thank you for watching our video.
Yeah, and say Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
and a happy
Birthday.
happy birthday. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, okay. Say bye. Bye.